I wasn't expecting this to be interesting, but then I realized DuckDuckGo quietly built an AI chat platform that lets you talk to multiple AI models in one place with a privacy-first angle. And honestly, that immediately got my attention because most AI tools today want your data, your login, your subscriptions, everything. But this feels a little different. So let's check out Duck.ai and see what it actually does. Want to stay ahead without getting lost in tech jargon? This space explores smart AI tools that help you automate tasks, think creatively, and work faster. So the core idea here is simple. Duck.ai is basically an AI chat workspace where you can ask questions, brainstorm ideas, generate content, and interact with different AI models, all from one interface. And what's interesting is you're not locked into one model. From the model selector, I can see options like GPT-5 Mini, GPT-4o Mini, Claude Haiku 4.5, Llama 4 Scout Mistral Small 4, and even GPT-OSS 120B in beta. That's actually pretty cool because different models are good at different things. Some are faster, some are better at reasoning, some are stronger for writing, some feel more conversational. Instead of opening 5 different tabs, it's all here. That's genuinely convenient. I think the biggest problem this solves is AI fragmentation, because right now if you use AI regularly, your workflow probably looks messy. Maybe one tab for writing, another for brainstorming, another for quick questions, maybe another for image generation, and suddenly your browser looks like complete chaos. Duck.ai simplifies that. One interface, multiple models, one clean experience, and if you care about privacy, the whole DuckDuckGo branding around private chats makes that clearly part of the positioning here, which makes sense for their audience. Let's talk about the actual interface. The design is super minimal. On the left sidebar, you've got new chat, new voice, chat, new image, which immediately tells me this isn't just text chat. Voice interaction is built in. Image generation is built in. That already makes it feel more like a complete AI workspace instead of just a chatbot. Then in the main chat area, I noticed a response mode toggle, fast or reasoning. That's actually a nice touch. Fast looks like the just give me the answer quickly mode. Reasoning seems more like when you want deeper thinking, better logic, maybe more detailed problem solving. That kind of flexibility matters depending on what you're doing. Like quick email rewrite, fast, complex strategy idea, reasoning, simple but useful. Now the really fun part, model switching. The model picker makes it super easy to jump between providers. And that's honestly one of the biggest strengths here, because sometimes you ask one AI something and the response feels weirdly stiff. So you switch. Different model, different personality, different output style. That flexibility makes experimentation way easier. And I like that the interface clearly shows some capabilities too. For example, GPT-5 Mini mentions file/photo support, web search, reasoning moderation features. So you're not guessing what each model can do. Nice usability detail. This part actually surprised me. There's a customized responses panel where you can tweak how the AI behaves. Stuff like tone of responses, response length, AI role your role, whether it asks clarifying questions. That's honestly pretty useful because sometimes AI feels too formal, sometimes too vague, sometimes way too long. Being able to shape that experience makes it feel more personal, less generic chatbot, more tailored assistant. From what's visible here, there's a free label in the interface. So based on what's shown, there's clearly a free access option available, which makes this really approachable if you just want to test it without jumping into another subscription immediately. Overall, Duck.ai feels like a really clean, privacy-focused AI hub for people who want flexibility without complexity. The biggest wins for me are multiple AI models, voice chat, image generation, custom response controls, and that clean, no-clutter interface. It's one of those tools that feels simple at first, then gets more interesting the more you poke around. If you've tried Duck.ai already, let me know which model felt best for you. And if you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.